Happy Tuesday, guys. This will be the last pre-market analysis for the year. Let's go ahead and see what we can find, guys. Go ahead and share my screen. Give me a second. Doo-doo-doo. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's waste no time. I won't be on here for long. I really don't have much to break down. Okay. End of the year, man. Markets are going to be closed tomorrow, so let's see what we can find. All right, so looking at gold. All right, so looking at gold, you see that since gold opened up on Sunday, I mean, this thing has ran up $157. Okay. Very, very significant. Now it's like, what does gold want to do? Okay. It looks like that we're forming some type of resistance here. Okay. We form some type of resistance. Let me drop to the 30-minute. About to tap into my little Raja Banks. And we have a support down here. Okay. So right now we're really in range. There's nothing to do. Okay. If we break down below, maybe take the swig, then start printing bullish, maybe we can keep going higher. Or price can maybe take these equal highs up here and then give us a nice drop. Okay. It's kind of in the air right now. It's very tough, you know. The gold will probably just end like this. Hold on real quick. All right, next, let's talk about DXY, guys. So guys, for DXY, I'm actually so yesterday I talked about how when price was here, price can either stop right here or buy back up or go take this wick. And price went to go take that wick, okay? So these equal highs have been left up here, okay? So with this, DXY has now taken out this low from December 16th. But if you look on if you look on Euro didn't take out this high, okay? But DXY has taken out this low, okay? SMT is going on right now, okay? So with that, I can probably see DXY buying up a little bit. We do have this gap that we created, okay? So maybe price wants to come touch this, okay? That's a possibility. For Euro, I would kind of see the same thing. Price taking out this high, breaking down for a value gap, and then now it's dropping off. Okay. So let's see how, deep Euro can retrace. Okay, let me just put an alert right here. Okay, so this Euro will be a nice sell. I see DXY retracing. Okay. Once again, these markets are thin, so guys, in and out, no type of swinging going on. Okay. For Bitcoin, um, yesterday I talked about how word price was up here that I'm really want to be bearish below 90K. We did have these equal highs up here, and I was hoping price would come and sweep it. But sometimes price doesn't need to sweep it. Resistance is resistance. Okay. So we see all these rejections right here, and then price dropping off to go take out these lows into this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. So now with Bitcoin, just looking at it, if this fair value gap doesn't hold, then this low can be a play and this fair value gap can be a play. Okay. So we can probably start to see gold start trickling back down. But like I told my Discord guys, I am bearish Bitcoin at least onto like 80K. So that's my take on Bitcoin right now. Okay. Oh, there goes gold. There goes gold. All right, so guys, we'll go doing this. The only thing I can see now is we can definitely, if we get a nice closure beneath the slow, we can definitely have a nice retracement profile. In terms of entries, I would say you want to look somewhere here for an entry. Okay, this will be a breaker. This right here would be a ICT breaker. Okay, so once price closes bearish, okay, hopefully it's not a crazy wick. Then a nice retracement back up into here could send price. We can maybe use this to send price lower. So I'll be waiting to see if gold can retrace back up here. Where could we take this to? Just take it to, you know, this structure over here. Aggressive, but I mean, really don't want to be selling gold. Like I said, the second scenario is we could easily just take out this wick. Could easily just take out this wick and reject it, and then turn back around to keep going higher. Okay. So, guys, with this markets right now, you want to be trading it in an if then, stop a statement. If price closes bearish and retraces and respects this breaker, then there's a high probability that price can keep dropping. If price drops and doesn't really close beneath this wick and just rejects it, then there's a high probability price can keep going up. Okay, because now we have equal highs up here. So retail is selling here, selling here, selling here. So orders are building up here as well. Okay, so we just have to be patient and range trading is just about being patient. Okay, you don't have to be first. It's okay to be second and get a piece of the pie. You don't need the whole pie. Okay, and then quickly on US 30, um let me use this chart. Mm-mm. So quickly on US 30, we did have these equal lows right here, okay, that we have now taken out, okay? And price is respecting this wick. Actually, this is a perfect time to what ICTB doing. Uh, I need to learn that more. Actually, don't fucking matter. So prices dropped off. Okay, price retraced, went ahead and took this internal liquidity, and now price is dropping off. So there's a high probability that price can probably come just somewhere down here. Okay, so price can probably come somewhere down here, and then maybe price wants to buy, maybe price wants to keep selling. I don't know. But if price maybe stops here and starts retracing back up, I could look to take possible sells back down. So just tracking institutional order flows, liquidity's been taken. We had this fair value gap right here. And then we had this one right here. Okay, so fair value gap's being respected. We have obviously taken out this low right here. So we can see if price wants to come back up there. But I think right now, price could probably head down to these lows over here. Okay. But it is tough. We are below midnight already. Usually you want to sell above midnight. This is like 4 a.m. So, this is London traders, but just by being patient, guys. And I think that's all I got. I am in some euro sells actually. Because once I saw this SMT, I was like, that's the only thing I really see. Let's see how it's doing. Mm. Oh, cool. I should have popped two contracts. I think this right now is a 1-to-1. Let me see. Yeah, about a 1-to-1. Really not sure how far this can go. I'm really waiting for DXY to go fill in that gap. Maybe something like this, nice 3 to 1. Maybe take partials at these lows. Um, but I think from here, I like how prices dropped. I can probably reduce my risk to this high over here. I like that better. All right, so I'm in Euro. We'll see what this does. One contract taking it very light. But other than that, guys, that's all I got. That's all I got. Hold on. Don't lose focus on my baby. Gold. It's calm. Like I think this can drop. I think this can drop, especially if Euro might be dropping, DXY might be buying. This is a nice loot zone right here on the 5 minute. So this is the last 5 minute fair value gap that pushed price up to go take out this high. Did it take out this high? It even took out this high. So yeah, I think I might attempt some small sells in here. About $7 to go and get. It's about a 2 to 1 for first TP. But yeah, man, that's all I got, guys. We'll see who's on here. Let's do a colossal.
What's happening, brother?
Chilling, man. Chilling, chilling. What you got today, man?
Uh, man, I might need just a little second, but
Okay.
I'm looking at Nasdaq obviously, um, and it's in consolidation, but I saw it did drop. It did drop nicely at 7:45, at least
Mm-hmm.
after the news release. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking, obviously, it's holiday season. Everything is short lived. Perhaps 8:30, we're gonna see it run back higher, but I can get on my charts in just a second. I'm just trying to my laptop for some reason being weird, so I want to kind of charge mine. Get on the charger real quick, and I'll be right on the laptop in just a second.
So I'll keep sharing that.
What's E? I think E needed the link to the live.
To the it's in the I don't have a link.
Yeah, for some reason I don't think it's popular on his
Let me
shit.
see. Oh, participants copy invite.
Unless he changed email or something. I'm not sure, but for some reason it's not reoccurring for him.
Listen,
He might be able to get for analysis a little bit quicker. We can still hear a little longer since
yeah, it's
it's the
content.
last one of the year. It's crazy.
That's one of the year. Yeah. Yeah.
How are you doing though?
Just chilling, man. Can't complain.
I saw you got an
What?
EU sales.
Yes, EU's looking nice, bro. I like DXY EU. Just simple, simple,
Mm.
but looking good. I'm just trade Euro until DXY gets here, and then just take my profits.
To be
Nah,
frank, the news release gave a nice entry, honestly speaking.
yeah, it did. It really did. Just back in there. Yeah, so this kind of yeah, this is the same last 5 minute loot zone. Oh, that is beautiful. Hey, that would have been beautiful. That's a 720 right before news.
Mhm.
Risking like 3 pips. That's a 7 to 1. They're on like 5 contracts.
On a year?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying if niggas would have caught like the most precise entry.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's me.
Good, E.
If you can let you break down Nasdaq if you can. If not, I can hop on in a second. I'm just trying to get my laptop in order and shit.
Fellas,
What's up, brother?
how y'all doing this morning?
I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good, man. It's the
Just,
last one.
just chicken right before Christmas, man.
Factual.
Yeah. You usually tracing like a motherfucker.
I'm supervising, I'm the supervisor.
Let's see.
Oh, Nasdaq. Man, I think I'm just bearish, man.
Man, I don't even know to be honest. Like,
I think I'm bearish. It's like a market maker sell model. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Flashback, lower time frame. What's this entry? Damn, London session. London
yeah,
session.
the entry really came for shorts during London,
Yeah, London session. That was beautiful right there.
and well, really, it started during Asia at 9:12 New York time.
Yeah.
I don't even really think we get a live move today. I think it'll be like something quick, maybe something before like 9:45.
See, it's gold doing. Oh, gold is giving it up. Oh, she's giving it up, man. No. All right, guys. So we're taking out this flow right now. Um. Oh, well. 805. Well. 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 Well.
That's doing numbers. Are you in?
Nah. I was waiting for a retrace to the breaker. Oh, gold, man. Where she goes, it's Dunzo's. It's it's this was what news? Also took out a high.
Okay,
Damn,
what's
it's
this
like
over?
$44. Ugh.
Yeah, that's a crazy melt. That's on gold.
Yeah, that's on gold.
Damn.
It's pulling back though, so it might give something. I'm about to get my laptop there shortly here, so I can see what's go up with.
So,
I think that's I saw a drop, but I feel like an easy pullback.
yeah, I can easily pull back. I can see that. This is a 5 minute order block here. Take a look at this one.
It's on my laptop. You're not sticking us to it.
Euro
Damn,
dollar.
now Nasdaq starting to drop.
Yeah. Yeah, it might get ugly. Right before 2 days before Christmas. Yeah, it might get ugly.
Yeah, give us one day of like going crazy. They need to do that.
See, Silver's not been doing that. The indices are gone.
Oh, is that it?
Indices are gone.
Yeah, it might trade below New Day opening gap, but we still in a tricky spot for me personally.
Yeah. Just talk. Oh, there was SMT during London. Oh no. I might have to build myself an SMT robot or something, man.
Bro, please do that.
Holy smoke. Look at this SM. Look at this. Uh uh. NASDAQ comes back for a failure swing lower high. Yes, it's
Oh, that
taking.
was so clean.
Oh my God. Come on, man. In there.
I'm not even tripping though.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
out of my. I mean, I could take it in the trade, but
For sure.
I'm trying to
Hey, that's
stick
what
to
we need an
10
SMT
o'clock.
robot.
We need
Who
that though.
calls us? Hey, SMT is 1 hour highs. At least just come take a look at it. Don't mean trade it. Just take a
We need that.
look. Need that. Need that. Need that.
Think you can
Wow.
do it?
I think so, man.
I won't be surprised if a bot exists out there already. We just
I
don't know
agree.
about.
I agree. Yeah, my mind. I need to do some look at first. But yeah, yeah. It's kind they're gone. They're gone. Silver's not dropping. Platinum's not dropping. I really want to take gold, man. Did we get a closure beneath the low? Nah, 15-minute close in 5 minutes. It's not fair. Indices. Oh, we still got a lot of time. Mhm. Well, I'm gonna make some coffee real quick. Let's see. Go, 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 go. Maybe even this level could give some type of return. My bad, boo. I've been listening to some South African music lately. That shit hit it.
And what got you in South Africa, bro? What you got going on?
I mean, these international DJs, TNC. I don't know if you see them on Instagram, but like the way South African like parties be like, they be dancing like it be lit.
I've seen some wild shit. Them African, it's Africans, ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, yeah, they do. I mean, I think I feel like every place got its own country, you know.
That is wild though.
That's hilarious.
uh, Let me go to South Africa.
Nah, I'm trying to go, bro. I really want to go
Okay.
and party.
Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Sounds fun.
Paris laughing.
Terrence.
No, you too.
That's funny. We see we take a trade on the live. Shoot, I'm with it. I don't know how your schedule looks today, but
Yeah, I'm wide open. Yeah, I
yeah,
mean,
let's
I think I might just chill in Euro.
Euro
I'm feeling Euro. I'm just chilling here.
pullback. No,
Nah, no, no, no.
Yeah, I think we go lower on indices, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling the restriction to go higher.
You not hear music? Copy, copy. Let me just. Oh yeah, Gold is not coming back. I'll be back. You was something.
It's from Money Dance. It's from Money Dance.
Chicken. I should have put on two contracts. Hey, one is never enough. One is never enough. Come on, G. Hey, there's one's out there. And I think I'm fucking with you, bro. Yeah, I think I'll fuck with you, bro.
Yeah, I
30
think Nasdaq is gonna go down.
all the way down.
Get money.
They said 50%, which is 100 points away. Yep. Mm,
Yo, that is crazy. Good fucking trade, bro. Good shit.
appreciate it.
We just keep winning. If you watch this shit, you need to join the chat. 2 days in a row now. You seen us call this shit live and hit its targets. Like, what are y'all even doing?
Come on, man.
We're about to go to South
Uh,
Africa and party.
that's solid shit.
We're about to go to South Africa and party. Why y'all sitting there playing, man? You need to join the Texas Heist.
Come on, man.
Hey, show them that little party, man. We about to be in South Africa.
TSC.
I turned being uninvested.
Can y'all hear the audio on the YouTube?
Billions.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we're hearing it.
See me on our TV show or on.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from South Africa.
These two international DJs, these two girls.
Sexy, perceived, sexy TSC. The best Morgan record, whoa, oh, what, David go. It goes like this. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Shout out my OG. Chicken layer.
When you're trade hitting, hell yeah.
Only when it's hidden.
It's hitting.
Risk free. I'm chilling.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
If you're supporting Hamas and radicalized Palestinians, this is what you are supporting.
Up music at 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30 is coming.
I want to live my life with those friends. We got TXC. I'm gonna hop off the mic, Zoo. We gotta let the
DJs be making money. Oh, they go gold.
There we go. Okay. Let's see. Nasdaq.
Nasdaq is looking like some bullshit in this little range.
Yeah, it's crazy.
They're already giving it up.
So let me share my screen very briefly since we're running into 8:30 openness. Let's take a look at Nasdaq and the possibilities. Let's see. Okay. Let me go to Zoom link. I really just want to share a trading view. I ain't trying to share everything. I think I can. Boom. All right, y'all can see.
Yes, Lord.
Alrighty. So, oh, this is so weird. Yeah. Let me move this. See if I can move this.
Damn. All right, bet. There we go. Now we just gotta push out from this area.
I'm really trying to move. Anyways, I have this little bar of zoom on in the way. Okay, perfect. I found a way to move it. I think I found a way to move it. Shows a little as fuck. Okay, cool. So I'm looking at S&P right here. My computer cannot take this. I'm using my laptop today. But S&P, look on the daily chart. I still think we have daily highs. But I remember saying yesterday, like, ideally, I want to see S&P trade back into this previous daily fair value gap. So maybe gives us a draw here, and that's that. Or, again, today's like what, the 23rd? Yeah, maybe get a
Uh-huh.
draw here. I don't know what Christmas Eve is gonna do, but the sooner we keep getting towards Christmas, the more I'm expecting short window moves. So we did go higher, take out some liquidity. We have these highs I'm retargeting on daily chart. The question is, do we get a pullback or do we continue moving right away? Um, and the 4-hour chart, if you look at it, it looks like it wants to start coming down. If it starts coming down, I'd like to at least see 50% of the range being traded to, which would be from here to there. So kind of leads us back into this nice little 4-hour fair value gap right here, around 687. So do we get that today? That's gonna be quite interesting to see. But that's kind of what I'm looking at in terms of S&P. Okay, in terms of S&P, I'm going to 1-hour chart. I'm gonna delete this. There's a lot going on. We're almost at day 30. 1-hour chart, we do have this again, equal highs up here now. So we started here Monday, went higher, took out highs. So I mean, perhaps maybe catch ourselves dropping today, dropping some more. We have this 1-hour order block, so I wouldn't want to go against these right here. So maybe if we pull back into that, we can expect a nice sell-off. So just to highlight what I'm probably going to be looking at is right here. This is for S&P. But I'm also keeping in mind. Can you guys hear me clearly or no?
Yep.
Yeah.
This laptop doing this thing. I'm also keeping in mind that if it does decide to go higher above this, we have this nice little inverse level as well. But I think we can find some type of rejection in here. So if it's above mid opening price, I don't think it should go beyond this candle's fair value. So ideally, we should see something like this at most. Trade our price already dropped from there, but that's a nice little balanced range, right? Nice little balanced range. Just one wick, one pass through on the bull side, one pass on the sell side, balanced range, price hits that and drops. So do we get a retracement in here to drop price further? That's what I'll be kind of looking at in terms of the S&P. Very, very simple. And then I'm gonna go to this NASDAQ now. Let's go to NASDAQ. My favorite pair, actually.
Motherfucking baby.
Nasdaq. Dude, this Zoom thing is so weird. Like it's just so in the way. The little tab that pops up. Okay, hide video panel. Anyways, it's in the way, bro. Daily chart. Okay, cool. So Nasdaq. About to tell you.
Huh?
That's you background.
No,
That's me.
You know, muted for a little bit. It's not crazy. It's not crazy at all, but just
Nah, yeah, I got you.
okay. S&P looks like it's going to be reaching. Nasdaq is doing exactly what I expect now. So Nasdaq, same. I think almost the same premise. If we're being honest, trying to be as quick as I can, but if we go to Nasdaq, what are we looking at here? Let's go to 4-hour chart. Again, I want to see price come down here. That's ideally what I want to see for the week. So you just took out liquidity here. This price I want to drop lower into this level. Yet to be seen. It did hit new week opening gap. So this could still repel price, reject price. But I want to see this pull back in here. That's where I think we could go. On the 1-hour chart, again, it's created a nice little, it's just still consolidating here. This new week opening gap could be an issue in terms of holding price up, but we'll see. 50-minute chart. Boom. So you're already pulling back. Already pulling back here. So if we start breaking above this 15-minute fair value gap I just highlighted, then I'll just switch back to bulls. But let's see if this can hold. It's taking off.
ready.
Nothing to do. Nothing to do. How's is EU looking good still or what?
I already TP'd.
Hey, that's brother. Good stuff.
For sure.
You see, well, Nasdaq just blew out my expectations. So
Mhm.
unless it's wicks heavily.
It's crazy. I had an order, a long order set on Nasdaq,
Mhm.
and something told me to market entry, and I just didn't.
Hmm.
I have the whole range right there. Yeah.
So weird. Why do I even have this on here? You see this right here? It's like it either moves or something. The week opening gap. It should be connected here. Unless it's my
And we're right back at yesterday's 5-minute lose zone.
London highs getting swept.
So I'm prepare myself for this shit.
Well, this was Sunday's gap. That's where those lines came from. I knew they came from somewhere. Sunday's gap was here. That's why you gotta pay attention to these gaps. Sunday's gap was here. You can see price started here on Sunday. So I'm just gonna highlight this actually. Let's make it different because that threw me off for a second. Is Nasdaq wicking?
Yep. That's what it looks like. Holy sh! That's a mean ass wick, man.
Wait for the candle to close, anyways.
Just for the liquidation to happen. It's crazy work.
Is there SMT?
Oh, it just kicked me out my account. That's bullshit.
I would hate to do that.
Damn, that's bullshit.
There is
Let's
S.
say you talking too
Damn,
much.
that fucked my entry up, dog. Whatever.
I think it's going.
Yeah, no, it's gonna go.
Wait for a lower high in 1 minute, hopefully.
I was gonna take sales under new day opening gap, but locked out. Bullshit, bro.
And my computer's acting extremely slow. It's crazy. Okay. Regular trading hours. Let's get to regular trading hours real quick.
30 is having a mean rejection.
What's 30 doing, man? I don't have all my screens from me today.
ES AQ took out London highs. Go US 30 did not. Not even close.
Probably gonna see some dropping eventually.
Yeah, so what I've 1 minute for Valley Gap right here. Mhm.
Let's see. I mean, I would like to see prices come to these lows, man. Regular trading
I think it's
hours.
gonna break down. I
You
think it's
feel
gonna
me?
break down.
That's all I like to see. But what I was expecting earlier is not playing out. At least to start the session, which is okay. You just got to pivot.
30 is going for it. Oh my goodness.
Look at 30 real quick. Oh, 30 is dropped like it's hot.
What about this 1 minute loot zone? Ooh.
For a buy
Sell.
Those.
Yeah,
for 30.
I'm probably gonna pop it right here. I need one
Okay.
more candle closure
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
because it's just completely stopped.
Patience.
I have zero interest right now.
Damn, gold is out of there. Wow. Cool.
I'm watching dollar rise too.
Yeah. Validated.
Zero interest for me. It's one of these demo accounts I use for practice shit. Cool. There is SMT though at the highs, I'll tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
SMP didn't even take out these highs, so it's a good thing.
Uh-oh. Think I'm gonna pop it. Let's see. Yeah.
A 30 second.
Seconds.
I at least want to see how this 15-minute candle is gonna close. That's all I want to see. How does this close? It already to me went far past what I'm expecting, but I wanted to get stopped at its balance range. Question is, did SMP take previous day's lows?
Mm.
Looks
Mm.
juicy.
It's looking
SMT. Hey,
good.
there's SMT all over the place.
Hmm.
So at the lows, that would have actually been a good entry because there was SMT. Only Nasdaq took out its previous day. Well, I don't know about US 30, but Nasdaq took out its previous day's lows. S&P did not. In fact, only Nasdaq took out its previous day's low. US 30 didn't even do that, even as much as US 30 dropped. Only Nasdaq was the one that took out its previous day's low. So you actually have SMT at the lows.
Then this 1 minute fair value gap hasn't been invalidated yet. Highs have not been swept. But the dollar is dropping like crazy.
You dropped it now?
It's dropping some more.
Oh yeah.
You look at it, it's like, do I even want to be?
Mm.
This is gonna be a little bit technical today because yeah, Monday consolidation. We're back on Monday's consolidation. Really, erase this.
Oh, SMT 1 minute highs.
I literally feel price gonna go down.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm finna pop it.
Yeah, this SMT holds up.
I just need a better entry. Like shit.
Mhm.
4 more minutes. 4 minutes for the first 15, first 9:30.
Sir.
Yeah, the first 15-minute candle close. Next 4 more minutes. See how that looks. I'd rather see it close back within this shaded orange area, honestly.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah. It's kind of weird because this thing can really just,
Smack higher.
yes. I think that's what it's like to even do. Because in reality, I want to see this thing go higher. I do want to see this thing go higher. Hmm. it was a good pullback, I'll pop it, but this thing is just one way street.
Like it's gone.
No, first 30 minutes, first 15 minutes, and nothing.
It's going to 758.
Yeah, it might just pop. It's interesting. It did pop, already pop previous day's lows. That's the thing. It doesn't matter. This shit might just take off, actually. It might give us a little holiday season rally. What I really want to see, honestly, is 25897. If we're to go crazy. I'm personally flip to bullish at this moment. S&P is going. Yeah. This was silver. We don't trade that shit no more. Let me see. For now. What's silver doing? Let's see. Oh, silver is gone. Well, nothing to do. Nothing to do. Price is just hanging there. That's what S&P is doing. The S&P just literally out of there. Out of there. Yeah, I won't be surprised if this thing just gives us a nice little boom, boom, like aggressive run higher for the holiday. Shoot. It looks like it. Daily chart. The HR looks strong. We could really get this run here on S&P. I just get a straight run there. Chart. Then you get a pullback. If we go below these lows, I want to pull back. I'm buying. Let me see how it looks on regular trading hours. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Nothing at this moment.
Then dropped into a 1 minute loot zone.
Yeah, there might be an entry on the 1 minute for sure. At least back into the area. I want to buy in. What is 30 doing? 30 keeping up momentum too. But look at all that accumulation. To me, all this accumulation they did here,
Power of three.
yeah, especially it was right in the below Sunday's opening and Friday's close. There's that gap. They did all that accumulated there. So this comes down. I don't really expect it as much as it's like a nice consolidation. We could take out lows. First, I want to just see a run on these liquidity pools and then reject and go higher again. I think the job has been done on the lows.
You think so?
Mhm.
I'm in sales.
Good stuff. Good stuff. She go.
Yes, sir. How far do we get now? Okay, we're dropping now.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take out these lows. We ain't want to take them out.
It's gonna take them out. It should. Let's see right here. This should drop price. 30-second level. The drop is inevitable. It's out of there. Good chicken.
Yeah, good chicken.
Now I need to see. I'm watching how it reacts when it gets here now. Is it gonna keep moving momentum, take out these lows, or I'm gonna pay attention to reaction here?
Yeah, here depends on if I close or just let it run.
I just got hungry out of nowhere. Pop over here. So
You said what?
no, I'm just adding to what's on this position real quick.
Yeah, it should go now.
Very, I'll put it right here actually. Very tight stop loss. Let's see some SMT. SMT. SMT to take place right here. So we're gonna see this wants to keep on dropping on the lows or not. So I'm really showing this guy. I'm like, this could either keep dropping here, and I want to see how the reaction is. If we get a further drop, if it just slices through and dices through, then yeah, we're in for a major drop. But if I had a stop loss, we're gonna make it tighter. Now, Liquid say he got him at the top, so that's beautiful. We'll see if we can continue getting drop here or not.
Gone.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What is S&P doing? That joint is moving. Do some shit. He's gone. I'm gonna throw something off right here. She's going though. She is going.
The volume balance at 25,639.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah,
Give me
she's
fried
down.
chicken for today, man.
Like good shit, Brody.
My entry was at 25,723.
That's nice up here. Beautiful. Good shit, Brody. Close taking some partials here though. Now we're break even risk free. Well, move this right here. Perfect. So nice little 15-second entry. I decided to get in, and once I just saw the structure is too smooth, got in here. Stop loss is above this nice little structure here. Clean little sell. Nice 50-point drop, I believe. We might just see these lows. And honestly speaking, if we get crazy, we could see this level here get tagged. It's a big if. Let's get back to that 5-minute chart already on it. Just make this nice and tight. I could care less about what happens from here. So you guys seen this called Two Trades Live. They both hit. Tell y'all we're going to South Africa. We're going to so we're about to go Zoom. Hopefully South Africa Zumba, right?
Yeah.
You going to South Africa, man, while they playing with us.
I can see this running back up too, bro. On
Yeah,
some
that's already.
extremities.
Yeah, that's why I put my stop already cashed out and put a very tight stop loss on this thing. Um,
I'm popping an entry. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it.
Flipping it.
Yeah.
Mm. Yes. I don't know. I'll be giving it a little more time. But it's funny because only Nasdaq went this low. 30 didn't do that.
That's kind of my reasoning.
But man, this thing can just keep dropping because in the beginning of the week, I mentioned how like honestly speaking on this 1 hour chart, like, this thing can really get nasty, nasty. Where's 9:30 opening? Right here, honestly, this itself could be an entry, but because this can get really nasty, bro. Yeah, this could get nasty. I think this might just drop price. We'll see. I only say that because go back to the 1 hour chart.
Hmm.
We are like in a premium. Like it's ugly here. We're all the way up here, dude. This is a premium. Like, you know what I'm saying? Price just ran up higher. And if you were to look at it again from that weekly perspective,
Hmm.
it's a weekly chart. That range, high, low, we're above 50%. So like that's what I want to see really prices drop. So 1 hour chart, we're in the premium. Can we drop first to here? So I won't be surprised if this level actually gives more sells. Funny enough. In fact, just to do it, we'll pop it.
No
Just
more
because.
sales.
Yeah, just gotta feel like it makes sense
I'm
from
in.
that
I'm
from
in
that
buyers.
perspective. I'm wrong. Touche. That's what it is. I can see it's just going crazy and crash out. Where did I even put my stop loss actually? Oh shit, it's up here and well, I'm gonna move this now since I'm hiding it. Yeah, no, I hide it right there. This
Yeah,
is
I'm
actually
seeing. I'm seeing it slowly starting to gain momentum.
there we go. We didn't have that 15-minute close actually. I thought we even closed already.
Mm-mm.
So yeah, I can see the buys, but I'm gonna stick to sales. I already took them, but I can see that 15-minute level that I mentioned earlier. This can actually hold the price and take it higher. Actually, that's probably what's gonna happen here. So in fact, since I already took that dub, let's do this. I'm only let's close. So still winning day, winning position. Did it already close for me? If it didn't close, I'm gonna leave it. I see it should pulling back now. Didn't close it. Let's let it go. But I want to see this 15-minute candle. Ideally, I'll be more confident if this closes beyond this shit.
Mhm.
This could be a balanced range. That's the only thing. So part of me just wants to close this for now and just see if that 15-minute candle closes how I'm expecting to close. If not, then yeah, this could actually turn around. So just gonna wait. But I won't be surprised to think he's melting. In fact, I think it's gonna keep melting. Whoa.
Ooh.
I get signed out. It said I've been signed out on my Zoom. Can you guys still see me or no?
Yeah.
That's weird. Tell me some BS. This thing's probably gonna go, bro. Part of me feels like this thing's gonna
Yeah,
go.
it's gonna go. I'm
It's
looking at
gonna
this.
go. In fact,
Yeah.
let me just. It's too late now, but let's just think those little sales. I'm gonna just pop one since we're right at opening price and call it a day. We have 4 more minutes to candle close. Those initial sales are better than this one, but whatever. Let's call it like this right there. I'm gonna sell two of those and just leave it. This is not the best entry, honestly speaking. Okay. Let's see if we can keep them sales going. My thing is, it already went high, did damage above opening price. The way this 15-minute candle just overlapped all of this, I think we might just see this keep going lower. So your first trade already hit. I think Profit's liquidity call trade that hit. I caught a trade live, it hit. This is just me adding on to see if we want to keep on moving lower. And I will tell you, it's not the best entry if I'm honest with you. But I do want to see this keep on tanking, just based off of the fact that on the 1 hour we're in the premium, guys. We're like at the top of that range. So I'm like, can we at least get some type of pullback? I like the idea of us running higher and then breaking down. There's obviously lows right here, so do we take them? That's what I'm aiming for. I'll feel more confident about this trade if this 15-minute candle that's currently operating closes beyond this level. Because in my mind, that should have been like a balance range here. Oh, I hate having a solo laptop. It's the worst thing ever.
I think it's time for me to go get some orange juice and pineapples.
My laptop's being slow, buddy. Okay. 38 more seconds.
Hi, you see.
Trying to get this anchored correctly. Yeah, anchored. Cool.
You guys, I got a meeting. Cause I'm gonna make you host. Y'all can keep going.
All right, yeah, make me host. Hope it doesn't drop, take us off.
All right, all right, bet.
So barely close below here, which is okay. I want to see more momentum. We'll see if we get some more push or a full turnaround. Am I still there or what?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. I'll get this how many more minutes? 35 more minutes, maybe top of the hour. Actually, interesting. US 30 had no interest in dropping lower at all. Nasdaq wants to push. He's doing that push-ups. go above here, then we have a problem.
Yeah, it just traded straight through the inverse loop zone. It
Mm.
just obliterated that motherfucker.
I don't see it's gonna give us this motion lower, but
Oh, it's going higher.
it's pushing. This would have been a better entry if I was even on the short. Here would have been a better entry. After this candle close, boom. Here would have been a better entry for any shorts actually. Here and this order block here. So we're gonna put a stop loss here. Way better entry. We're gonna add one more here, just because this would have been a way better entry. There, that should have been the real entry. If anything, for shorts. Might give us a little holiday consolidation. Let's see. Holiday back and forth. This buys look very nice. Very nice. Very nice. These buys look increasingly nice. Again, I'm gonna stick to the sales, but it looks increasingly nice as we trade outside this 1 minute level. Well, I am watching to see if it can hold price this block of candles here. I want to see if that can hold price and still turn around. But again, the better entry would have been. And I have multiple accounts. What you guys don't see in the background, I have other. I'm using my phone to press on multiple accounts. So this entry is very ugly. But the best, most significant entry would have been at least here. Even if this knocks you out, it's like you have a way tighter stop loss, right? Versus getting in down here. And on top of that, this was a nice pullback from this candle's high, which is swing high to the low. Above 50% was this fair value gap and this order block. So we'll see this was a whole price. Obviously, price is dancing here. I would like to just go back through this level. But right now, as things exist, if I'm trying to read it candle by candle, this candle should potentially push price higher. We're just gonna stick to this. See what we can. If price wants to deliver lower. Keep in mind, US 30s over here flying. Flying, flying, flying. So the Fed that would even close beyond that 1 minute fair value gap is troublesome. I need to see some momentum lower if we're gonna get any sales. This should really push. Let's see if this holds. This should really push. This should push. I like the structure that was created above here. It should ideally push. If we fail to do that, then we're really gonna take out these lows here. I'm getting some momentum, guys. Let's see if this can hold. Still struggling to go back below that 1 minute fair value gap. I want to see this strongly close. That's one strong candle. Now this one cannot just overlap what it just did. If it does, then obviously it's no good. But like that one strong candle we have on the 1 minute chart. Let's see what this next candle does here. Yeah, there's no real strong momentum from the Bears. The fact that we overlap the strong candles is not a good sign. This could just go boom. Right now, keep in mind we have 2 wins in the bag today. We'll see what this one plays out to be. One from your earlier, and then one from Nasdaq earlier called sells. Now the question is, does this turn to a bag or does it turn to an L? Regardless of what it is, I'll be done for the session after this. I don't care to press any more buttons. Okay, we need to see some momentum. I need to see some strong momentum, guys. Keeps on playing. It's like not even having momentum close outside this 1 minute fair value gap here. I want to see that take place. If I see that take place, I'll feel a little bit better, okay? But it keeps on just diving in here and then stopping. But if I was a bull, also, I wouldn't be happy the fact that it keeps on just consolidating here. I would want to see it just keep pushing higher. So really in the valley of decision for these markets right now. As a bear, I want to see at least let's reclaim something. Let's reclaim this. Let this level get traded back below. That'll be a strong indication. We keep getting close, but we're still in this area. I need to see some momentum. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, guys. So this might end up playing out here. We'll see what happens here, but we need to continue some momentum now. There should be no reason to come back up higher if we do. See, we still haven't closed out. Maybe I spoke too soon. We haven't closed yet. Below there. From a 15-minute perspective, let's say it's 15-minute candle closes. 30 more seconds on that candle. I would have rather see this candle close in this orange shade area, if I'm being real. That's what I would like to see. It looks like we're not going to get that, which takes away my idea of like it being bearish. I really want to see this candle and this next candle close below this. I'm seeing things that's making me not feel bearish anymore, but I'm not going to flip flop, so I'm just going to stick with it. This would have been better. The way it's 15-minute candle close, not strong. I wanted to close outside, this is like a balanced range. The fact that we closed and came back up, this could be a push, and this is a set of down close candles that can act as an order block to then propel price higher. Even on a 1 hour chart, you can kind of see this. Here, this is a down close candle, boom. It's literally about to push price higher. That's what I see about to happen. So this is likely to explode at this point. I'm just gonna stick with it, but I'm expecting an explosion higher.
It also soup price on 3 minute. It turtle souped inside the 1 minute inverse. I don't know if you
It's,
noticed that.
no, I don't look at a 3 minute for now. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go higher. I won't be surprised at all. And this is actually what I was looking for when the day even started. Drop lower. I see that. This is a nice entry to go long, if we're being real. But again, I'm just not gonna go do a lot of shifting gears. That 15-minute candle close showing me bullishness all the way. Hmm. You're looking at ES. ES looks very strong on bullishness. 30 looks very strong. Everything looks strong to go higher. I would be very surprised if Nasdaq doesn't follow suit. Trying to see how I would frame a long entry here if I was to do anything later. Hmm. It has every reason to run higher. There's really every reason to run higher. Once we traded above here, we never close back. Bulls cannot, I mean, bears cannot get a hold of anything. So this should have every right to go higher. It's like just playing with the stop. It's like a lion playing with his prey. It's like, yo, I'm about to eat you alive, dude. Just wait. All right, there she go. Now she finally decided to pop. It still didn't hit it, but it should hit it. It's playing with a prey. Like, yo, I'm just gonna play around before I just go boom. It has every reason to go higher. Every reason to go higher. I'm just gonna let the stop loss play out. I don't want to do too much tinkering with it. But that's every reason to go higher. Every reason. If I was gonna sit any longs later, which I won't, I'm just gonna call it a day. But I will expect this up down close candle here, 5 minute candle to hold price. So price drops in there. Maybe that acts as support and then push the price higher. What I'm like to do is go on the sidelines. This is a very like I don't even want to be in this as much as like it looks very good. It's probably gonna take off. There's a lot of consolidation. I want to see straight movement. There she go. Cool. I know Edric, you call buys yourself as well, so you should still be in these. It's not here. I don't know. Might just be me. All right, guys, we're gonna call this one a day for now. So we had 2 wins, 1 loss. What I would expect going forward, those prices to find its way higher. Funny enough, I was expecting this thing to do exactly what it did, drop in here and then turn around. So now it looks like it wants to do that. It's probably gonna keep going higher. Again, it's holiday season, just take it easy. I'm personally going on the sidelines here. I do want to see this continue going higher, but I'm going to go on the sidelines. We had 1 dub and 2 dubs today, call live, and then 1 L. But I narrated the whole thing and what didn't look good anymore, especially when we had this 15-minute level here. This close here was a little bit outside this level, which is great, but then we had this momentum here. So this looks like creating a nice little swing low that can then push price back higher. And if we're to go higher, it might just get really, we might just take out these highs, keep pushing, and watch out for 25,907. But that's what I like to on a regular day. It's holiday season, guys. It might just literally go higher a little bit, take out these highs, and that's it. Or take out these highs. It might do something very silly and just relax. So we'll watch. This last thing I'll say, this I like how this down close counter here acts as a nice bullish order block. If you notice, it's right at opening price, which is what we want to see. And price dives in there and goes higher. So even as a bull, I'll be expecting nothing, price not to go back below here. This last down close candle. So we'll see if price wants to keep on going higher. I think it might just do that. All the other indices are doing the same. So until next time, guys. Well, dang, we ain't gonna see you guys till next year. No, maybe for the New Year's. But tune in, tap in, follow the channel, subscribe. We got more fire coming to you guys. And if you're not in the Discord chat, drop a comment. We can send you a link and lock in, man. We're calling trades, going live, breaking down charts, giving strategies. So we want to see you guys there and want to grow that page, grow that channel. So subscribe, like, share with a friend. Talk to you guys next time. We are out. So yeah, how do I get about this thing? How do I end this meeting, guys? Oh, trying to set to end this meeting.